Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin by collecting what proves your policy and identity. Have the policy number, insurer name, and effective dates in front of you. This speeds searches. Once done, get your photo ID and the last 4 digits of your SSN ready so the provider can confirm you quickly. Make sure your email and phone on file are current and keep a payment method handy if a retrieval fee applies. This first step prevents delays and reduces call transfers. You now sign into the insurer portal or mobile app. If you can't, use account recovery and verify via email or SMS. Once inside, navigate to the policy, documents, claims, or records area. These labels vary by company. Then search by policy number or date range. Open each entry to check details and download PDFs or save screenshots. If a document isn't available, request it through the portal's request form or secure message. You finish by saving copies in 2 places, a secure cloud folder and a local backup, using clear file names with dates. Once saved, compare the records to your billing, claim outcomes, and renewal notices to confirm accuracy. If you spot a discrepancy, request a correction or file an appeal promptly. Insurers have specific timelines. If problems persist, escalate to a supervisor or your state insurance regulator. Troubleshooting tip: if online access fails, call the insurer's records department and request a mailed certified copy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.